Okay, this is video 2 of our 3-video series on Microsoft Office products. In this video, we are going to be discussing PowerPoint. And just for a kind of table of contents for that, we're going to be discussing different layouts and designs, different symbols, how to insert text boxes, how to use transitions, how to present a PowerPoint, how to save a PowerPoint, print a PowerPoint, open an existing PowerPoint, and create a new PowerPoint. So I'm going to go ahead and pause this video and go over to PowerPoint so we can get started. Alright, so I'm in PowerPoint now, and you can see here, this is the PowerPoint symbol, so it has a P, and it's kind of in a pie chart almost. It's got a circle, it's half or like quarter shaded, and we're in PowerPoint now. So the first thing that you're going to see is that you've got a title slide here. You're going to need more than one slide for pretty much all of your PowerPoints, so you're going to go up here and click New Slide, and this will insert a new slide. And you can see here that it's automatically changed the format for you so that it's now in more of a descriptive, slide versus a title slide. But if you wanted another title slide, you could go up here where it says New Slide, click this arrow. You can click title slide, title and content. You have all of these options. And you can also change the layout up here of an existing slide. So if I wanted to change this, I can change it right there. So I'm just going to go ahead and type out something here just to show you guys. We've already covered this in the Word video, but I'm just going to do a quick refresher. Just a reminder, you need to highlight anything before you change it. You have the bold symbol up here, italics, underlined. You also can change the font size. You'll notice that the font for PowerPoints is a lot higher than the font for Word documents. So we'll go to 72. You can still change all of the font types. So we're going to go ahead and change it to this type just for fun. And you can still change the font color. So we're going to do red again because red is the best. So we've got red right here. We can also highlight it, and we'll try black highlight. I don't know, why not? And so you can see that everything is all highlighted. You can also change the centering, but remember, after you click the highlight button, you need to reselect all of the words that you want to change. So we can make it left or right or center again. And then for this next part, we're going to go to our second slide. And I'm going to change the layout just to make things a little easier. And you'll notice that PowerPoint automatically turns your slides into bullet points. So you just type whatever you want, and it will automatically turn it into a bulleted list. If you don't want it to be a bulleted list, you just highlight everything and click that button. Alright, we're going to turn it back into a list just because it looks nicer, I think. We can also change the spacing the same way we did it in Word. We go here to font, just space things out a little bit more. We can also insert an image, so we're going to go ahead and hit New Slide. And then you can see all these symbols down here, chart, image. But you can also go up here to insert, and you can see there's pictures, and we'll do the same thing. We'll just go to online pictures, and we'll search for a pig, and we'll insert this picture. And then you have the picture in there already. It has the same functions of spelling and grammar. So if I change this to this, okay, I just need to exit all these things. If I change this, maybe that'll change it. Yeah, so now we have the red line, hit this, and then cats. That's what we want. And the grammar, remember, is the blue line underneath your words. You can change the language as well. Down here, English, click this. Go ahead and check a different language, Korean, Lithuanian, Arabic, all of those languages are here. And then copy and paste is going to work the same way. So we're going to copy this with this to paper right here. This is copy. And then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to click paste. And then we have our list repeated right in front of us. Okay, so for the next thing I'm going to show you guys, we're going to go ahead and go to this side, and then you see this text box symbol right here? We're going to click this, and then you're going to drag while you're holding the left button. You're going to have a text box. You're going to say whatever you want to say about the picture. And then what's nice about text boxes is you can move them around wherever you want. You can still change all of the font like you did before. And then we're going to go up here, and our PowerPoint's kind of boring looking right now. So we're going to change it up. And we're going to go ahead and go to Design up here. You can see all of these different design options. And if you click this arrow, it's going to give you even more. So we're going to go with this one. And you can see here that it already has redesigned our PowerPoint for us. And if you don't like the blue, you can go down here and click a different color. So now you have a well-designed PowerPoint with a lot less work. So now that your PowerPoint's looking spiffy, you may want to have some transitions, because right now, when you click present down here, this symbol means present, but you can also go to slideshow up here and then click play from start. Oops. I'm going to have to do something different just for presentation's sake. So go ahead and go here, and you can see when you're presenting it that it just goes from slide to slide. But maybe you want to have something special. So you can go up here to transitions, and then you can click any of these things, and again you can click down and there's a whole bunch more. So we'll pick curtains for this slide, and we'll pick wipe for this slide, and reveal for this slide. So you can go up here and then present it again, and you can see it does this cool stuff now. When you click next, it does all of these things for you. And now there are different ways to present your slideshow. So we've already discussed play from start, and that's when it just automatically goes to the first slide. But let's say you're on slide 2 right here, and you just wanted to play slide 2, then you would click play from current slide, and it will go slide 2, slide 3, slide 4, and so on and such. And lastly, we are going to go ahead and save, and then look at printing this. So just like Word, we're going to go up here to File, Save As. We're going to do the same thing. And then you can change this to a PowerPoint or to a PDF as well. We're going to go ahead and click Save. You can also print the same exact way. So you can go up here to File and Print. And it will give you these, you can do black and white, all those things. You can also open a new document the same way. If you just go to open, I'm not sure, and it's not working right now on this one because I'm recording it, but normally you would just click right there. You also have new presentation or new presentation from template, which will bring up all of these cool options you have here. And that is it for our PowerPoint video. In the next video, we're going to be going over how to use Excel and math functions and those things.